Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple calculator in C language using if-else statement. And this calculator will be able to get two numbers from the user, and then user can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create variables. So the first variable that I am going to create is of character data type, and I'm going to name it choice. This variable will contain the value of operation that user wants to perform. The next thing is two variables of data type float, and I'm going to name them num1 and num2. So these variables will contain the values on which user wants to perform calculation. Now I will implement some user interaction statements. So the first one is printf enter your choice. This is basically a optional thing to do to make your program interactive. So this is the message that I want to display at the beginning of the program, and then I'll be using scanf statement. We can also use getch or getche, but I'm using scanf statement right now. %c will be the format specifier, and the name of the variable will be specified here. After that, I will again display a message. Please enter first number, and we'll get the value of first number from user %f and %num1, and I'm going to copy this, and for the second number we'll just edit the first statement, second number and num2. So we have got the input from the user in these statements. Now we have to implement the logic. So if the character, the choice the user has entered is equal to plus, in that case we want to add the two numbers. So I'm going to create a variable result is equal to, and we are going to add the numbers, and then we are going to display the result. So sum is equal to %f and the name of the variable. After that, we want to implement subtraction. So for that, choice is equal to minus, and let's again create a result variable, and this time num1 minus num2, and printf subtraction is equal to %f, and the name of the variable will be specified here. The third operation is going to be multiplication, and we are going to implement it. So if the user input for choice is multiply, then we are going to find the product of two numbers, and that will be done with the help of steric sign that we have discussed in operators. So far we have implemented three operations, I'm just going to print the last one. And okay, so the next one is Debian. Now in Debian we have to think something that will be checking that if the second entered number is 0, then the output should be math error, because division of any number by 0 is not possible in maths, so we do not want to do that. So first of all, let me implement this choice is equal to and slash for division, and float result. Let me create the variable result here. If num2 is not equal to 0, then we are going to perform the calculations division. So if num2 not equal to 0, then result is equal to, and we are going to print the result here. So the result will be num1 divided by num2, and we'll print that the quotient is equal to percentage f, and the name of the variable will be specified. And if it is not equal, if the denominator or number 2 is equal to 0, in that case we are going to print the message, which is error message, math error, or you can simply do anything else. So we have implemented all the operations, but let's suppose that user has entered something else apart from this plus, minus, multiply and divide. In that case we want to do something, and in that case I'm going to again print a message that invalid input. So this is the program that we have created. Let me execute the program. When we'll execute the program, a console screen will be displayed with a message, enter your choice. So let's suppose we want to add the numbers. Enter your first number. So it is 12, 13, and the output is sum is equal to 25. So now let's check subtraction. For that, minus, enter first number 5, 26, output is minus 21. The next thing is division, 6, 2, output should be 3. Let's again test division, 3, 0. Output is math error. And what if user has entered something else? Let's suppose user has entered A. So in that case, whatever the number user will enter, the output is going to be invalid input or invalid operation. Whatever the message you want to print here, you can do it. So this is the program that we have created. It's a lengthy program, but it is a basic calculator that we have created today. So I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please like the video and subscribe the channel.